This is my emotional support Jaguar. It's the second time you've seen it on the channel. I introduced it a little while ago. It was accident damaged. I bought it at Copart, and it only took me about 3 hours to put it back on the road and get it MOT'd. I didn't tidy it up, I just fixed it. And since then, I've driven it and driven it and driven it. It's done about 2,000 miles, and it's been great, but there's a distinct knocking and clattering coming from the front. And this is typical of these cars. It's partly lack of maintenance and partly just bits that wear out. But let me show you what we've done. On this side, on the driver's side, we have replaced those inboard top wishbone bushes. We've had the whole strut assembly out. I've replaced the top mount. I've also replaced the bottom bush in the shocker. I've replaced the drop link and pads and disc. Now this is kind of just minimal work required to make this car cope with daily driving. And well, it's a bit like me at the moment, only this can be mended. I don't know if I can be mended. It's the weekend at the moment. This is Sunday. I did that first half yesterday, and I just come in to start work on the near side. And the near side, this is as yet untouched. It's still got all the original drop link and everything else on it. And the first thing you have to do to get the strut out, because I need to change that top mount up there, which you can't really see very well, but I need to get the strut out. The first thing I need to do is get the bolt out that goes through the top of the wishbone, so I can flip the wishbone out of the way. And that means taking out this long bolt here. I took the nut off the end, stuck a spanner on it because it didn't want to move, and that's not the nut. That's the bolt head that's come off. It just sheared. It's a bit of shit, isn't it? So I'm in a world, oh shit, tripping over my own laces. I'm in a world of pain now. I'm going to have to cut out that top bolt. I'm going to have to take the angle grinder to it and slice it into little pieces and hope that it was seized in the bushings, which I can replace, and not seized in the subframe. That's this bit here. So this is a new bolt through here, and this is the subframe. And I'm hoping that the bolt on the other side isn't seized into the subframe, because if it is, I'm in real trouble. If it's only seized in the bushings that are in here, then I can cut on the other side, of course, through there and there, and extract it that way. Why am I calling it the emotional support Jaguar? Well, as you probably know, I'm going through a load of radiotherapy at the moment. I have to go and lie under the death ray machine every day for 20 weekdays, and I get the weekends off, which is why I'm not doing it today and why I'm working on the car. If I don't get this fixed today, I'm in real trouble, because I don't know how I'm going to get to tomorrow's appointment. That might be interesting. But yeah, the emotional support Jaguar. I can mend the car. I don't know if I can mend me. One of the problems of going through this is all the drugs and stuff that they've given me to prepare my body for the radiotherapy are really messing with my head. and I'm having enormous difficulty focusing and concentrating and having the mental capacity to do more than one thing at a time. So apologies for the lack of videos recently. Let's see how I get on. I'll edit this together at the end of the day, and hopefully I'll be able to show you both sides done. We'll be right back. I'm back. The emotional support car is not being very emotionally supportive at the moment. Yeah, look. We got this wishbone off. Top wishbone's off. Unfortunately, I did have to. That's the end of the sheared bolt. That one I had to hack through with the angle grinder. That one the same. There's what's left of that end. That's not a problem. All of that, they'll just knock out, put new bushings in, new bolts. Shockers out, so I can do the job on that, replace this top mount up here and replace this little bush down here. The problem lies in here. Let me get some more light. That's the remains of the bolt in the subframe, and it is absolutely solid. It's not cooperating at all. It's not going to move. The emotional support Jag needs a new front subframe. Anyone got one? I'm in the market for a new front subframe. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with the next one. Love you. Bye.